Hi, my name's Tom Olafson. I'm an estate planning attorney and I serve clients in the Orland Park area. Thanks for coming to my website. I have something that I'd like to give you that's very special, but first I'd like to tell you a little bit about my practice. Every once in a while, we run into a situation where a trustee isn't doing their job for one reason or another. Sometimes the family members who are not in charge of the trust, the beneficiaries, suspect that the trustee is doing something they're not supposed to do. A lot of this comes from poor communication between the trustee and the family members. Sometimes the trustee feels like they're being badgered, that they're getting too many silly questions, and it leads to the trustee refusing to answer questions, refusing to communicate. They won't open letters, they won't answer phone calls. This is one of the big arguments for using a professional trustee. Professional trustees don't get tired of your questions. They don't get tired of phone calls. They're willing to answer emails. It's part of their job. The trust officer themselves may not answer the questions, but they'll delegate it to someone and the answer will get to the beneficiaries at some point. They don't tend to get frustrated. It's part of their job. They just do it. But if there is a problem with a trustee, the trust that we draft, we put in there a special position, a special person called a trust advisor. And the trust advisor is sort of a super trustee. They're a person who can oversee what the trustee is doing, and if there's really an issue where the trustee is doing something wrong or just doesn't do a good job of complying with their duties, then we can reach in and pluck out that trustee, and they're not in trouble necessarily, but we let the next trustee step up, or we put someone new in who will do a better job. We don't monitor the trust, we don't watch over the shoulder of the trustee unless someone reports a problem, but we're there to step in when there's the need. Now what I'd like you to do is go to my website and find out how you can get a free review of your existing trust documents to see if they come up to our standards. I can also arrange for you to get free access to 20 videos that answer your most often asked questions. They give you some guidance as to what you should be looking for. Now, if you don't have existing trust documents or you have a particular question that's been bothering you, you're welcome to call my phone number, which is 773-905-1193, and we'll set up a complimentary consultation.